Greetings everyone, welcome to the new episode. You don't know, Livity Jamaican farm. Yeah, today a big day. You know what we are doing today? We are plant out some of them things in the seed bed. And we are joined here today by my brother Nicholas. You see me? Blood brother, you know? So yeah man, so him the plant out the tomato originally. You know, but him there to go town and do some business, so him back again. So yeah, you might see the face a little more often. So yeah. So we are clear a spot now. Because we're going to plant out the basil, lettuce, pop choy and thing, you know. So if you look at the cabbage, insect kind of start deal with the cabbage now, man. And the cucumber, it's flowering, you know. Cucumber flowering. But insect shell it down. So these are planting without any additives, any pesticide, no nothing. Just strictly from seed. And this is the reaction we get from the insects and how they react to the plants. So some plants doing better than others. Some plants the insect love more than others. But I can see that the lettuce is doing healthy and the basil, but everything else is being affected by insects. So yeah. Oh, and these are the peanuts and the garlic that we planted the other day. Because the garlic them was shoot nice, man. And the peanut them nice. So yeah. So if anything, I'm putting up on a tripod. We'll do a little time lapse and we'll see we clear the spot.
Let's just certain need. Yeah, that's what one is. Should need more than that, I think.
Alright, so brother I'll show you how to take out the plants out of the seed bed. So you put the machete underneath and slightly lift it up so it lift up with the dirt. Okay. Okay. So this is how we plant the basil out. We are get deep with it. Okay.
Some of that bit.
Alright.
Just plant a couple more like that.
Alright, yeah man. So that's the method we're gonna plant out the basil them. So I'm putting up on the tripod again. These are the progress so far. So you don't know. When we finish this section, we make you see the end result. So yeah. So come again. Basil them, you know. Everybody plant out the basil now. Not if you count it. If you count it, I'll make you know how much. Yes, we can count it together. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 we plant out. And the smaller basil that was left in the seed bed, let's make them stay because them just too small for trouble. So we just plant out the bigger ones. So 60 basil. Yeah man, and Sir Dino there. And brother Nick. See him deal with the works, man. Real machine that, you know, man. So see him clear out the whole of yourself. So you see the land that take time clear out now. So yeah, next mission, lettuce. We'll plant out the lettuce. Now the next mission now, so come again. Going to the close up of how we apply the lettuce them. One little by little. So we now water them already. So them not quail up in the sun. We'll do the works. Yeah man, we're going to dig out the hole. Look like about 100 lettuce, so we'll get at it. Everybody, this is the progress reached so far. I'll take a little 5-minute break because I'm tired. So yeah, portion of lettuce plant out so far, man. So you can see how much we take from it already. So we take about 3/4. So it'll go full up this whole area that we cleared out. So yeah, little by little. Brother take a rest way down there, so take a little rest too, so come again. Yes everybody, see it there? We plant out all of the lettuce them. So Jano, we're not even count it yet, you know. Because some of them will plant multiple in some of the holes, so we can plant out, we can count the holes and see how much we have. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 136 holes, and there are multiple in each hole. So yeah, so probably it was 200 lettuce, and we do 130 other holes. So yeah, Dino, we can ask for water them basil again. That's like a nice water to set them in, you know. And the basil them, we have 60 basil as well. We plant out the basil, so this was the spot where the lettuce and the basil was. And see, I left back a couple basil. So yeah, 60 basil, 130 odd lettuce. Good little plant out there, man. Because we're not going to have no more time for a plant out the pak chai and the cucumber. The pak chai and the cabbage. Because probably it's the next 100 holes we have to dig. So, in our next day, we sort that out. But proper works deal with to them, man. Yeah, man. Some brother come with some water, we finish off water them thing, you know. So yeah, so we'll link up with you again. Oh, and for going to the update on the garlic. See the garlic here, man. Got them nice and tall. So them are going good too, man. Peanut and the popcorn were recently planted. Enough popcorn are spring up now, look. Enough popcorn. So yeah, update on the popcorn. Go look on the strawberry real quick. Cause them supposed to have fruit up nice, John. Alright. Man, looking beautiful. See a fruit down here. 2 flowers. 1 more flowers right there coming. Looking good. Whoa, this strawberry, it actually ready up already. I wonder if I not see that on me. I say, John, first me I grow strawberry and see it, you know. Because it start red already. Fruit a come. Man. And look at these down here. Beautiful. Couple fruits right there coming. And this flower, we have one flower and we have a fruit over here. So I need to put it on some banana leaf. So the fruit have something nice to grow on, you know. Them plants are delicate too, you know, so you have to take time. Delicate one. So yeah, you don't want the fruit to be on the dirt because it will burn. So you need it on a surface. You know, so yeah. Nice. So that's the update on the strawberry. Can't believe. A nice red strawberry, man. I forgot to go for my phone and take a picture of that too. Yo. Alright. And the tomatoes. Remember we did the tomatoes? Them are going good, nice and strong. This one beautiful. Yeah, man. Showing you the cabbage, the bush cabbage, wild cabbage. See it there? Them are going nice. Gotta leave them stand up proper. And just the insect we need for just spray them out. Yeah. And the aloe vera. Showing you the update on the cane. So still have pretty life in them green. So you see it's a catch. This one catch. Yeah, man. So cane them catch nice one. Alright. Oh, this one chocho. I have to drop off of the tree. I bring this home and cook it up. See the next chocho, yeah? See it there? Food that drop off a tree. Oh, that one you kind of eat up. Leave that. Two chocho. I'll see all two more chocho over here, so. Then. Don't know, sardine, I'll catch some water. Bread on it, the way up I see bread up there, so. Yeah, so that's the update on the farm. So I'll soon get back to you. They are chat through the land. They're in the garden where I have all the banana trees and orange and tangerine. There's a noni tree over here. And so my brother picking some orange over here. And some nice orange too.
Wow, you should play cricket, man.
Small in time there.
Yeah, so we're there in the garden I tried pick some things, you know. See some cane there, so.
Yeah, some clean up for them, yeah.
Alright. Gotta check the grapefruit tree.
Walk it back there, there's some more stuff there on the inside.
Sure.
And then we take the big grapefruit here on the top.
Alright, so the tree where we usually have grapefruit, it dry up now, so
Sorry.
I check the rest of the trees from the land. At the same time, I want things ripe up and it a drop off and a rotten. I know, so I pick everything I need to pick. Which way I go? Which way I say? Look like a pear tree, yes?
Whatever it is over here.
Yeah, man. Okay, yes. Yes, people, we're done today for the works. Just a come out of the garden area. See me there have a grapefruit yard, munch. You see me? So yeah, man. Give thanks for forward today. You see the journey. We plant out a couple things, the basil and the lettuce. We go and pick some fruits. So yeah, man. Soon again tomorrow. Blessings.